Sleepin' Joe Donnelly is at work, snoozing through nearly 1 in 5 committee hearings and snuggling up to the radical left. His votes making it easier for dangerous illegal immigrants to enter our country and give them taxpayer-funded benefits. For his efforts, Sleepin' Joe was even named the least effective Democrat in the Senate because Sleepin' Joe Donnelly just isn't working for Indiana. The NRSC is responsible for the content of this advertising.